Rheumatoid Arthritis by Lorraine Palmetto. According to an article titled Investigating the Importance and Causes of Rheumatoid Arthritis and Its Effective Treatments, rheumatoid arthritis is a progressive chronic autoimmune inflammatory disease that causes joint destruction and disability, especially in adulthood. The chronic systemic inflammatory disorder main cause is unknown. RA causes polyarticular pain, joint pain and swelling, morning stiffness, and fatigue. Autoimmune is characterized as chronic bilateral and degenerative synovial tissue inflammation, with persistent inflammatory synovitis. Relative risk. The National Library of Medicine stated that smoking is the strongest known environmental risk for RA. The risk of RA increases with the amount and duration of cigarette use. The study showed a linear relationship between smoking and risk of RA when increasing pack years of smoking to increase risk of RA. The heaviest smoker with more than 40 pack years had approximately twofold increase of risk for RA than those who never smoked. It also stated that socioeconomic status, where the risk of RA in patients without university degrees was 40% higher compared with those with university degrees. Those whose occupation that require manual labor had an increased risk of 20% than those who were non-manual laborers. According to a journal series called Rheumatology, having a family history of RA increases the risk of getting RA by 3 to 9 folds. Genes identified outside of the major histocompatibility complex region explains 5.5% and 4.7% of heritability in Europeans and Asians. Environmental factors such as cilia dust, solvents, air pollution, and ultraviolet light have shown moderate associations with the risk of RA. Factors with moderate evidence for association with higher RA risk includes lower education level, high birth rate, and obesity. Population attributable risk. A healthier lifestyle is associated with lower risk according to arthritis care and research. Data was collected from the Nurses' Health Study from 1986 to 2016 to assess if healthier lifestyles was associated with RA risk. Researchers discovered that those with hazard ratio of 0.86 had a lower overall RA risk, and those with a hazard ratio for seropositive RA of 0.5 and seronegative RA of 0.87 were low risk for RA subtypes. The lowest risk for women had 5 healthy lifestyle factors with a hazard ratio of 0.42. Additional healthy lifestyle behavior decreased RA risk by 13%. There is a 34% high proportion in general female is attributable to the confluence of modifiable lifestyle factor. Public health programs. The CDC website has recognized programs that help with management of RA. Arthritis Foundation Aquatic Program, or AFAP, is a water exercise program created for people with arthritis and related conditions. It is taught by a trained instructor and includes joint range of motion, stretching, breathing, and light aerobic activities. It also reduces fatigue, pain, and stiffness. It is taught for 1 hour, 2 to 3 times a week for 6 to 10 weeks. Chronic Disease Self-Management Program, or CDSMP, covers topics such as techniques to deal with problems associated with chronic disease, appropriate exercise, appropriate use of medication, communicating effectively with family, friends, and health professionals, nutrition, and how to evaluate new treatments. Those who participate in this group showed significant improvements in exercise, ability to do social and housework activities, less depression, fear and frustration or worry about their health, reduction in symptoms like pain, and increased confidence in the ability to manage their condition.